Nitu was sitting by her window and watching the rainfall. Now, when it rains, what exactly happens? Well, all the puddles in the roads fill with water, isn't it? In fact, if the street gets filled with water, you will see that kids start playing there. They make small paper boats and they let it out in the water. Now, when you put the paper boat on water surface, what exactly happens? Well, does it go down or does it drown? Not really. So you can play with the paper boat, that is whatever water surface you have. For example, you have bowl of water, you have a tub of water, or you have water filled in puddles. You can put the paper boat there and it will not drown. So you see, some things can actually stay on the surface of water and they don't drown, while some things do drown. So let's see what are the things that can stay on the surface of the water and which will drown. So we have a tub of water, and in this tub we will put few things. So what are the things? Well, we have a paper boat, we have a pencil, we have a tennis ball, we have a coin, and we have a nail. So let's see. So first of all, if you put pencil on the surface of water, what will happen? Well, the pencil will stay on the surface. That is, the pencil will float in water. So it doesn't go down or drown. It floats on water. What about the coin? Well, the coin will not stay on the surface. It will drown or go down. So coins sink in water. So if you put coins in water, they will sink. Now what about balls? Well, balls float in water. So they will stay on the surface. What about the nails? Again, the nails will not stay on the surface. They will go down. Nails sink in water. What about the paper boat? Well, the paper boat will definitely stay on the surface. So paper boat floats in water. So you see, there are some things that float in water. For example, balls, paper boat, and pencils, while some sink in water. For example, coins and nails. Now, when you go to learn swimming for the first time, you are given rubber tubes so that you may stay afloat. That is, you don't drown. So the rubber tube allows you to float on water. Now I'll share with you a very interesting fact. Well, there is a water body in which even if you don't know how to swim, you won't sink or drown. Well, that water body is called the Dead Sea. So if you go in that water body, you will always float. Everything floats in that water body. It's called the Dead Sea. So you see, there are different things which show different behavior when you put them in water. For example, balls, paper boat, and even pencil will float in water, while nails will sink in water. So some things float in water and some things sink in water.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests. performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.